Mixers are indispensable tools used across various industries to blend substances homogeneously. Understanding their operation can help users optimize their use and recognize their limitations. How do mixers work? At its core, a mixer applies mechanical energy to move materials through a container. Different types of mixers achieve this through various methods. For example, a magnetic stirrer uses a rotating magnetic field to drive a stir bar, while an orbital shaker moves a platform in an elliptical path. Principles of mixing. 1. Agitation. Mixers create motion within the mixture, ensuring all components are subjected to the same forces. 2. Shear. Forces applied by the mixer break down large particles or clumps, promoting uniform distribution. 3. Diffusion. As agitation and shear occur, diffusion takes place, spreading molecules evenly throughout the mixture. Understanding these principles helps users select the right mixer for their needs, whether it's for laboratory research, industrial production, or any other application requiring precise blending. Benefits of knowing the basics. Optimize performance. Knowledge of mixing fundamentals can improve the efficiency and effectiveness of your mixing processes. Maintenance and troubleshooting. Familiarity with how mixers work can aid in identifying issues and implementing solutions quickly. Cost savings. Proper use and maintenance can extend the lifespan of mixers, reducing replacement costs. In conclusion, mixers are invaluable tools that rely on simple yet effective principles to achieve their purpose. By understanding these basics, users can maximize the benefits of using mixers in their respective fields. Want to learn more about our products? Contact me via email on my homepage, and I will get back to you within 24 hours.